At Beyond Sequencing in San Francisco, EdgeBio introduced this new concept of science as a service. Science as a service is a service that allows an abstraction to the end researcher. They don't necessarily have to make the capital expenditure on sequencers or lab technicians or bioinformaticians. So this is an end-to-end solution that allows for everything from the upstream project design to the intermediate library construction and sequencing to the downstream bioinformatics and data analysis. The service-based model has been around for a long time, most specifically in the IT sector. So, for example, software as a service, Gmail. You can log onto your Gmail account and just expect that it will work. You don't have to have an understanding of how the servers are constructed or how the protocols are implemented. And with science as a service, we're taking the same abstraction. The researchers don't necessarily have to understand every single detail about every step along the way, but what we want to do is provide them with an overall picture of the science that they're trying to accomplish, and we help them to deliver a very specific result. We've chosen the data analysis infrastructure that we did based off of the realization that with the cost of sequencing coming down significantly, this would open up to researchers a whole new range of applications. So we knew from the beginning that we would need an infrastructure that would be dynamic, scalable, and extensible. Let's take an example, human exome resequencing. Each one of our clients has varying levels of resources. Some may just want the sequence and have that handed back to them for their own internal analysis. Some may want the full analysis, the full pipeline, where we can construct libraries, do the sequencing, and do the data analysis. And then others are asking us to develop very specific downstream data analysis pipelines. And the infrastructure that we chose will allow us to quickly prototype, develop, and run these software to help these researchers get to answering the scientific questions that they're after. To that end, we decided that CLC would be a great baseline infrastructure for building around these capabilities, but also having the ability to develop against their API and also integrate best-of-breed open source and internal algorithms that we're developing